Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters. Dal, like D in delete. Dal, like D in delete. Dal, like D in delete. Val, like TH in that. Val, like TH in that. Val, like TH in that. R, like R in Spanish, perro. R, like R in Spanish, perro. R, like R in Spanish, perro. Z, like Z in zebra. Z, like Z in zebra. Z, like Z in zebra. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Dal is the first letter in the word chicken in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word chicken is written below the rectangle. Dajaja, dajaja, dajaja. Vel is the first letter in the word dhahab, and the pronunciation of the word gold is written below the rectangle. Dhahab, dhahab, dhahab. Ra is the first letter in the word man in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word man is written below the rectangle. Rajulun, rajulun, rajulun. Zay is the first letter in the word giraffe in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word giraffe is written below. Zarafa, zarafa, zarafa. Training. Now we will take some practice on the previous letters. Dal dajaja, chicken dajaja, chicken dajaja, chicken. Gold, dhahab, gold, dhahab, gold, dhahab. من رجل، من رجل، من رجل، من رجل. Giraffe, zarafa, giraffe, zarafa, giraffe, zarafa. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.